In this video, we will demonstrate how to predict Forex market with fractal wave analysis. You will need MetaTrader 5 and fractal decomposition analysis tool for this video tutorial. The first step of this tutorial is data preparation. Start your MetaTrader 5 and we will export Forex market data into CSV file. Now follow steps in the screen. When the CSV file is opened in Notepad, the data will look like this. Then you have done it correctly. Next we will run fractal decomposition analysis tool. Now we are in the interface of fractal decomposition analysis tool. Data loading is done. Type symbol name. Click Perform Fractal Decomposition button. Now the algorithm will generate for fractal cycle analysis. For each cycle, it will output zigzag analysis and turning point probability. Small cycles are useful for day trading. Large cycles are useful to predict big market movement. When you want to enlarge anything in chart, you can redraw chart with bigger scale. You can also switch on and off between price probability and time probability by choosing the radio button. Turning point probability will tell you what could happen next. For example, the turning point probability will tell you when it is likely that the breakout or reversal can happen in the market. This simple free tool can save you the tons of your money throwing into the market in the wrong timing. The successful trader make the trading decision based on geometric prediction. This software helps you to do statistical analysis automatically at no cost. Geometric prediction helps you to trade with your own intuition in the scientific way. It is the right way of trading for success. You might be curious, how does software generate the prediction? Here is the conceptual representation of the calculation algorithm behind this free software. Thanks for watching this video.